In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create hyper-realistic AI influencers for completely free. Using this method, you are going to be able to create hyper-realistic influencers that can speak in a natural way like this.
Did you know that I am actually an AI influencer and I can speak like a real human, and my name is Lisa?
You can also make these influencers hold any product that you want. The best part here is that the voice and the image of the AI influencer are going to stay consistent throughout the video, and you can even make the videos as long as you want. So, without any further ado, let's begin the tutorial. The first step here is to generate the image for our AI influencer. To do this for free, we are going to come to this website called LM Arena. In this website, you basically get to test out all the image and large language AI models for completely free. So, to do that, you are just going to click on this button, and from here click on the New Chat option. And after coming to this web page, you're going to click on this battle button, and from here, you're going to select the Direct Chat option. After selecting the Direct Chat option, you are going to be able to use all the different AI image models for free, like GPT Image 1.5 High Fidelity, or Nano Banana Pro, which is Gemini 3 Pro Image Preview. But I specifically like to use the Flux 2 Pro AI model here to generate realistic AI images, as it has more of that natural realism that we would want for our influencer image generation. So after selecting the Flux 2 image model, I am just going to give the AI model this prompt. I want you to create an image of an Instagram influencer sitting inside a house directly looking at the camera. Generate the image in the aspect ratio of a portrait or in the aspect ratio of 16:9. The part where I specifically mention the aspect ratio is very important, as it tells the AI model to generate it in the aspect ratio, specifically for the short form type of content that we are going to create with our influencer. So let's run this prompt and see what kind of image we get. Now this is the image that Flux 2 created. And as you can see, this is in the portrait aspect ratio. This is basically the optimized aspect ratio that we want for our short form content. Now, in this image, the influencer here looks very good and is actually sitting in front of the camera. Even though this image looks good, I think that I would like to do some more iterations of this same prompt and change a little bit of the prompt to get different results. And from those results, I'm going to pick the best one I like. So for the second iteration, I'm just going to remove the part where I say influencer sitting inside a house from the prompt, and then run the prompt again to see what kind of image Flux 2 Pro generates this time. This is the new image that Flux 2 Pro has created, and this also looks good. The image feels natural, but I think I like this image more than the other image. And I think that for this specific tutorial, I am just going to go with the original image that I created. So I am just going to download this image. Now, after downloading the image, what we are going to do is open a new chat to make the image much better. So, after opening a new chat, we are also going to change the AI model from Flux 2 Pro to Nano Banana, as we are going to edit the image of the AI influencer that we generated. Now, this is the prompt that I am giving to Nano Banana Pro here to edit the image. So I'm just asking it to, I want you to edit the image so that the character is directly in front of the camera. Also, the character should be standing inside of a room holding a microphone. Make it a close-up shot, and also give the character a good natural skin. I am specifically asking for the AI model to give the character natural skin, because the skin in this image right now looks quite AI generated. So let's now edit the image. This is the edited image that Nano Banana Pro created. And as you can see, the AI model gave the character very natural skin. So now the character looks very realistic. Also, it added the microphone as we wanted. It also made it a close-up camera shot as we asked. So it followed our prompt perfectly. As you can see, this image generation here looks good, and we are going to use this specific image as our main reference for our AI influencer. So I am just going to download the image again. After downloading the image, if you want to edit it a little more, you can do that by creating a new chat. So now that we have downloaded our image, we are going to go to the best website right now to generate videos for free, which is Grok. So after coming to Grok, we are going to go to the Imagine section. After coming to the Imagine section, we are just going to upload the image of our AI influencer. Now we are basically going to prompt Grok to animate our AI influencer. The prompt that I am giving the AI model is, make this video like a professional animation. I want you to make the character say, did you know that I am actually an AI influencer and I can speak like a real human? and my name is Lisa. This is the part where you specifically mention what you want the AI character to say. Now, the most important part of the prompt is the last section. In this section, I specifically mention to the AI model to make the voiceover clean and professional, and make sure that it feels premium, like it was recorded in a studio, and no background music, only a clean professional voiceover. So the Grok AI model here is not going to generate any background music, so you can add that music later. It is also going to make the voiceover clean, natural, and professional. This is the video that Grok generated.
Did you know that I am actually an AI influencer and I can speak like a real human, and my name is Lisa?
As you can see, the AI model created a very natural-looking voiceover, which is natural enough that people will watch your AI influencer videos to the end. So using this method, you can create real natural voiceovers using this specific prompt. The problem is that the video is only a few seconds long. If we want to create videos which are about a minute long, we need to generate multiple clips. You can do that by just continuing or changing the dialogue of this character right here. So I am just going to change the dialogue of this prompt to say something like, "I really want to eat something right now. I am very hungry." Then we can generate another video from this prompt. As you can see, this is the video that Grok has created.
I really want to eat something right now. I'm very hungry.
And as you can see, it kept the voice consistent. Now, we used the same image to do that. But another thing about Grok is that even if you slightly edit the image using Nano Banana Pro or any other AI model, it is still going to recognize the character and generate the video with the same voice. So let's say I have this image right here and ask the AI model, instead of the AI influencer holding a microphone, make her hold an apple. All right, so I'm just going to give the AI model this simple prompt. Now, this is the image that Nano Banana Pro created from my prompt. And as you can see, it has added an apple, and the apple is being held by this influencer. So I'm just going to download this image again and upload it on Grok. So now I'm going to give this prompt to this AI model. So as I am very hungry, I am just going to eat the apple. And then the AI influencer eats the apple. And then I'm going to add this prompt to the prompt section to get a clean voiceover. Basically, that's what I have shown you. Now, let's generate the video. And as you can see, this is the video that Grok here has created.
So as I am very hungry, I am just going to eat the apple.
The voice of the character is also the same as our previous video generation with this character. So as you can see, even with slightly different edited images of the same character, you are going to still get the same voice. This feature gives us complete consistency of voice, even with edited images. So after you have generated all the videos that you want, the Grok model is going to upscale the video to 1080p. After upscaling the videos, you are just going to download them one by one by clicking on this download button here. So I am just also going to upscale this second video right here and download it. After downloading all these videos, what you are going to do is just take these videos into a video editor. Just put these clips one by one so that you get a really long AI video with consistent character and consistent voice. Now, you can add sound effects or edit the video in any way you want, but I just like to keep it simple and export it as it is. As you can see, in this way, you can create really good AI influencer videos for completely free.